David here with CNC Machines. As a veteran, I understand the difficulties of transitioning back into the civilian world. I wasn't quite sure what I was going to do with myself. Luckily, I found manufacturing pretty early on. As a machinist, I got to use a lot of the skills that I acquired in the military, such as my attention to detail, my organizational skills, and even leadership skills. I'm proud to be a member of CNC Machines. We are offering a scholarship particularly for veterans. It's for the months of February, March, and April of 2019. It's $1,000 a month to one veteran per month. If you are interested, please apply online, or if you know someone who can benefit from this, please forward them the video. Thank you.